Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one we can put into S square everything to the power of 2. Number 4, that is about number 2 multiplied by 2s. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have 2s ds. This one we change by u. 2s ds we change by du. So the integration of this one, we have number 2 octane of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about s squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.